Hello dear student, I am Dr. Samir Rastogi presenting a lecture on antibiotics and their introduction about antibiotics, history and classification. तो एंटीबायोटिक्स क्या होती हैं ये हम लोग यहाँ डिस्कस करेंगे, जो आपके मेडिसिनल केमिस्ट्री है उसकी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है। तो एंटीबायोटिक्स क्या होते हैं? ये केमिकल सब्सटेंस होते हैं विच इज ड्राइव फ्रॉम वन माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म एंड यूज टू किल अनदर टाइप ऑफ माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म एट अ वेरी लो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन इज कॉल्ड एंटीबायोटिक्स। तो एंटीबायोटिक्स को हम स्टार्ट करते हैं नेक्स्ट स्लाइड से। नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस एंटीबायोटिक्स। अब हम एंटीबायोटिक्स के बारे में बात करेंगे कि एंटीबायोटिक्स होती क्या है। तो एंटीबायोटिक्स आर ड्रग्स which derived fully or partially from certain microorganism and are used to treat bacterial infection। मतलब एंटीबायोटिक बनती है माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म और बैक्टीरियल इन्फेक्शन के ही ट्रीटमेंट में ही काम किया जाता है। द वर्ड एंटीबायोटिक्स कम फ्रॉम द ग्रीक वर्ड in which anti mean against and bios mean life। यहाँ पर लाइफ मतलब बैक्टीरिया की लाइफ। अब हम बात करेंगे हिस्ट्री ऑफ एंटीबायोटिक। Many ancient culture, including the ancient Egyptian and ancient Greek, used specially selected mold and plant material and extract to treat infection. Louis Pasteur observed, if we could intervene in the antagonism observed between some bacteria, it would offer perhaps the greatest hope for therapeutics. Then, synthetic antibiotic chemotherapy as a science and development of antibacterial began in Germany with Paul Ehrlich in the late 1880s. Ehrlich noted that certain dyes would colored human, animal or bacterial cell while other did not. He then proposed the idea that it might be possible to create chemical that would act as a selective drug that would bind to and kill bacteria without harming the human host। मतलब कि ये पॉसिबल है कि हमें कोई ऐसा केमिकल बनाए जो सिलेक्टिव बैक्टीरिया को किल करे और एक सिलेक्टिव ड्रग की तरह काम करे और ह्यूमन होस्ट को विदाउट हार्मिंग द ह्यूमन होस्ट सेल। It is discovered that a chemical called arsphenamine was an effective treatment for syphilis. This became the first modern antibiotic. Although Ulrich himself referred to his discovery as chemotherapy, the use of a chemical to treat a disease. The word antibiotics was first used by the American inventor and microbiologist Salman Waxman. In 1928, Alexander Fleming accidentally discovered penicillin. Upon returning from a holiday, he noticed that a fungus, Penicillium notatum, had contaminated a culture plate of Staphylococcus bacteria. He had accidentally left uncovered. The fungus had created a bacteria-free zone wherever it grew on the plate. अलेक्जेंडर फ्लेमिंग जब वापस आए तो उन्होंने देखा कि जो पेनिसिलियम नोटेटम फंगस है उसके पास एक कॉन्टामिनेटेड बैक्टीरिया की कॉलोनी है और उसको वो इनहिबिट कर रही है। फ्लोरी एंड चेन who managed to efficiently purify the antibiotics and scale up production. The introduction of penicillin marked the beginning of this so-called golden era of antibiotics. Ernest Chain, Howard Florey and Alexander Fleming shared the 1945 Nobel Prize in Medicine. After that, many antibiotics are invented. Now the classification of antibiotics on the basis of their, first is on the basis of effects of their activity. First is bactericidal, in which the bacteria killed by the bacteria, that is drug killed the bacteria. For example, aminoglycosides, penicillin, cephalosporin, and many others. Second is bacteriostatic. A drug inhibits the growth of bacteria. Bacterial growth को रोक रहा है. For example, sulfonamide, tetracycline, chloramphenicol. Now, on the basis of range of activity, spectrum of activity. Now, the first is narrow spectrum antibiotics, in which target specific types of gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. For example, macrolides, polymyxin, की ग्राम इसमें पता रहता है कि कौन सा ग्राम पॉजिटिव और ग्राम नेगेटिव. Now the next is broad spectrum antibiotic. The drug active against gram positive and gram negative. It is usually used where the specific type of the microorganism is unknown. For example, chloramphenicol tetracycline. Now the next category is on the basis of origin. The first is bacterial origin. The drug obtained from bacteria. For example, colistin, azithromycin, and bezisterin. Now second is fungal origin. इसमें आएगा penicillin, gracefulvin, cephalosporin. Now the third is actinomycetes. इसमें आएगा aminoglycosides, macrolides, tetracyclines, and chloramphenicol, and many others. Now next is on the basis of mode of action. The first one is inhibit the cell wall synthesis. For example, penicillin, cephalosporin, cycloserine, and vancomycin, and many others. Now the next is causes leakage from cell membrane. For example, colistin, nystatin, hemicin, and many others. And the third is inhibit protein synthesis. For example, tetracycline, chloramphenicol, and erythromycin. Now next is cause misreading of mRNA code and affect permeability. Streptomycin, gentamicin. Next is inhibit DNA gyrase. For example, fluoroquinolones, ciprofloxacin, and others. Now the next is interfere with the DNA function. इसमें example है rifampin. Now the next is interfere with DNA synthesis. Example is acyclovir zidovudine. Now the next is interfere with intermediary metabolism. Is sulfonamides, sulfones, paramynosalicylic acid, and trimethoprim. It's okay. It's all about the introduction about antibiotic history and classification of antibiotics. Please like and comment and share the. Thank you.